left again.
Nah, he must have lagged out or something. They'll put him back in.
Oh.
What are you doing?
My bad. Oh, fuck. Tom, where are you? Oh, it's still like that. Let me try to see this one.
Bro.
My bad, bro. Wait. I'm on my settings screen right now.
There's two of them.
Coming in right now. Fuck, that's a wrong time.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh, you thought we dumb? No, you're just gonna kill them and not die, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, dummy's here. Man, what happened to your Wi-Fi? I don't know what happened. I think you need to like do the same thing I did, uninstall and install again, bro. I know it take a long time, but
Bro, my shit fuck. I don't know. Ever since it updated this morning, my shit just keep cutting off.
what I did was I reinstalled that bitch.
Hostiles have established a SAM turret.
Like,
It don't take as long, does it?
I know. It's gonna take the whole day or something.
What's gonna happen to you up there, homie?
Oh shit. I wanna kill him, but I can't. Just give me a moment. Let me find a sniper. Oh, that guy is a sharpshooter, bro. Damn. Chill out, Rambo. Why you shooting at us, huh? Thought we gonna shoot back.
Where is he at?
It's right there. There's multiple, so I'm just going, bro. I'm just trying. I ain't gonna just hide because of you, bro. What you trying to do, bro? Where are you?
You're coming from behind us, too.
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Oh man.
He just jumped. He just jumped. Hey, right here.
He
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh.
Oh.
Time for them. You're redeployed.
Ain't no
Damn.
fucking way, dude. I'm reporting your ass, bro. I can't wait.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Who you think you are, Rambo?
Anybody make it to Fox?
Squad on your attack map. Get hunted.
Oh, don't come over here.
Oh.
There's fucking 3 teams over here fighting.
Appreciate the heads up.
Setting waypoint.
We got enough money for a loadout. Yeah.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
I'm sorry, Elizabeth. Oh, you thought you were gonna run away from you, bro? We ain't gonna run. We're coming to you. Oh, never mind.
Hey, Fox, can you make it to me?
Hey, there's a sniper in prison. Watch out. No, control. And he's flashing you guys right now. Oh, shit. Oh!
Yo, bro. Really?
It's okay, y'all.
I got loadout on me, gang.
Oh, that's some good move, Tom. I ain't gonna lie. Thank you.
Got this right here for somebody.
These motherfuckers stand there and thought we're not gonna shoot. You thought we're not gonna shoot, bro? Yeah, we're just gonna shoot anything we got just to make you move. Yeah, I'm sending that bitch right there. They're both moving into us. This side. I think I hear some. Yeah, they're here. Oh, I'm so. Stop hiding, bro. Just go to Mario. He tried to hide from me, bro. Ah. Slang a slang.
The fuck he come from?
Your squad made it to the safe.
Hey, oh, what? How many bullets is netted down in, bro? No way. That's retarded, motherfucker. I know, Chad. I missed a couple shots. I gotta release brace again. I just braced the entire damn hell to. Oh, whoa!
Yo, how the fuck did he follow me?
Yeah. And he got me too.
Asshole. What you get,
But how
bro?
you even... Good shit, Pop. So we got... As soon as he climbed up there, you got it there. Yeah.
What the fuck? Why it doesn't refill? What the fuck is that ammo box? So the ammo box disabled when the gas hit it? What the freak? The new update suck, bro. I ain't gonna
Damn.
lie.
Damn.
Hey, you can buy all of us. There you go.
Oh, okay. No way, man.
Oh, he lagged.
Almost.
What the fuck? There was no way, bro.
Yeah, it was lag. Indeed, will pull up at the right time when you die. He got the money, Tito. He got the money. The guy will kill him.
Played up.
Yeah, right there. The money right there, Tito. Behind you, the money. What the hell? Yeah. You can buy all of us. Come on, they're coming to you. Oh, I promise you. All you gotta do is press box X66, bro. I swear to you.
All you gotta do is press XAA. At that
No,
point,
you ain't no
AKA.
Xbox player now. We a PlayStation player right here.
Oh, square.
First of all, we don't even like Xbox, sir. No. I'm playing. I think if I smoke another joint, that would be really up. Sáng cho coffee ngân mực. Here. Sáng cho coffee ngon. Tito. Can you hear me? Tito, bro. What's going on with you? Tom, do you have a copy? Mic check.
Mic check. It's the same people.
Alright. Tito never... Do you hear Tito talking?
No.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I might have to unmute him.
No, he wasn't talking on my side, so... He didn't really do nothing well on the new update, bro. It's not really... fucking dirty goalkeeper guys. Hey, that joking, that's a... Okay. Yes. Oh, so we lost my friend. My friend left. Oh no, he's still here. Oh, we lost Tom. Fox.
We lost Dom.
Dom lost.
And we lost Kendo.
No, Dito is here. Dito is here. No, Dito is here.
Go?
I don't know what. Control, bro. Dale.
Yeah, where's the fuck Dom go?
Yeah, where's Dom, bro? The lieutenant. Fuck. See, let me see the comments, y'all. I am so trash. Alright. Dumb.
He's here. He's
Yeah,
leader
who's the
too.
party? Who's the leader?
You are now. We joined your party.
Oh man, I don't know what the fuck's going on with my shit, y'all. Like when I leave here in a little bit, I'm gonna restart my. I'm gonna uninstall it and reinstall it or something.
You ain't gotta do all that. Shut your Xbox down and restart it. Or you ain't even just close the game out and restart it. You know what I mean? Go back to the home menu,
I didn't even have a
push
friend
the start
request.
button,
Where the fuck
Quit.
is the friend request?
right, and then restart it, and then it'll
All right,
fucking
if it does that again, if it does again, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll just reinvite everybody, and hopefully that solves it. Because this shit just keeps kicking me off. And
Umesla headgear, that was slow. Out again. It's full after one. Yeah. So what's up? Morning. I'm to go on the store. Good. F. F bien. Cái vốn thì cái gì? Con anh. Nè. Hey, I cannot find your name, Mop. Let me try to find it. But see, I ain't got shit. Like, I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't say nothing. Tito. This guy.
Problem.
You pull up like a cold snake. Be pulling up like a cold snake. Shit.
What happened?
Let's go play Search and Destroy.
Hey, man.
Yeah, you down? Alright, let's get it. We're gonna stay on multiplayer for a little bit.
What happened?
Man, dude, you didn't see
What happened?
me
Your
kill
Wi-Fi
like
acting up?
30 some people?
What happened?
You didn't see me wipe the entire squad, bro?
Get out of here, bro.
What the hell, bro? Don't act like you didn't see that, bro. That is that bullshit you playing, bro.
Where that shot just
I
come
think.
from?
They came from your left. I think. Don't listen to me though.
Yeah, he tripping.
Yeah, man. It's your left. What I say?
Oh, tripping. Ooh.
See?
You know what?
Fucking bitch.
Hey.
Sorry.
You said Pin that hole.
And he missed the pistol too, damn.
What y'all doing over there?
Hey, what happened to my guns, bro? What? Oh, shit.
Watch them bombs.
Oh my god, this stack
Ooh,
out
good shit.
sighting is stupid.
See where they ass at. Fuck.
Nigga latched on over there. I am crying.
Ah, he got me.
I told you that nigga
To the
cold.
right.
That sniper short.
I played with him though. That's why I messed up that. Look, y'all pissed me off. 'Cause I was just 7-0. We're gonna hit another 7-0.
Oh, boy, you going crazy.
Green light. Go, go, go.
Bro. What happened?
This, what the fuck?
Oh, you finally got me. Camping ass bitch. I'm not doing over there somewhere. A sniper will be over there.
This guy, huh?
Ah! I was the only person left? I ain't even know that. I wouldn't even been running around like that. I would have stopped.
Bro, gee, my baby mama and my daughter even on my nerves.
I ain't even hear him say you was the only one left. But cause I was finna go tear him up. You saying that?
Why the fuck they
The only
do
way
me,
y'all gonna
boy?
get me. You weren't moving, probably?
No, I was moving. It just booted me.
Oh, I don't know.
But they let me come back though. That's how you know this shit was some tweaky shit. Thank bomb. I'm right here with you.
We're setting up the bomb.
This the fuck? What the fuck
Watching
happened
his
to me,
backside.
bro?
Oh, I got killed. They coming from the back, Illy, where I turned around at.
He coming in, say, behind you.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck.
I'm looking at dude. That was
Watch
just
that
me.
bomb. Fuck it. Watch that bomb.
That shit
All
over
right, it's
with.
over with. They killed us off.
Our device was disarmed.
Oh, he lame as hell. He shoot dead people.
Fight ain't over.
I shoot dead people.
Blood, 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 blood.
Let me turn up, man. I got this fucking cut package I've been trying to let out.
On this map, good luck.
Man, that's what I said. I should have changed my score streaks for this shit.
Damn.
It's something else. I would have had something good.
That motherfucker killed me with a bomb.
Ooh, I made it. RCXD. How many is it? 3v3. What's up?
They blew me, fuck. That nigga hit me with a bomb first. Like,
Take that asshole down.
Man, I'm capping. I don't give no fuck.
What's you doing over there? Hold on, I'm gonna turn up.
Good shit.
I really was just trying to let that cat package out the motherfucker else. I ain't want to get it took, so it was like I wasn't trying to. Every time I die, I'm like, yep, I'm glad I ain't let that bitch out. Bro, this time I'm like, fuck, I'm gonna try it.
Destroy.
So I gotta get some kills, goddammit. It got me fucked up. These niggas ass for real, though.
bro, they just did that whole shit. I missed the second time.
I used the wrong thermal.
How many is it?
1.
Three of they ass left.
Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down.
Damn,
I
nigga.
just missed every shot. I'm on mouse and keyboard, bro.
Go crazy, shorty.
Hard when I get the miss.
Alright, buddy hit your homie though. That's when you missed all them shots right there.
Oh, Mo.
Well, if you came my way, you was done for.
Yeah, shorty. I ain't got aim assist no more.
Damn, I'm going
boy.
crazy. I got all type of shit.
All
Let me
my
let
shots
this shit
come
out.
straight from me.
Protect the objective.
Damn.
Bro, why the
That's the first time I bad bomb this round. Cause your ass started going to the middle, nigga. You know you can't run to the middle on this map.
Squad couldn't handle the heat.
Oh my god, I thought that was a
you
fucking
killed
enemy.
yourself up?
No, I killed the teammate, so it say I killed myself. I thought that was an enemy, bro. Well, under you. That was me.
Hey, you funny as hell, huh? You blew
That was
folks'
me. I
ass
was
up.
just dumb. I blew myself up, really. That was just dumb. It ain't had no dot on his head.
Yeah, you tried to
Nothing.
kill me.
You didn't show that it's a teammate.
You tried to kill me. You can't.
That was me, man. I jagged that round.
You can't, sir. Stop trying to kill me. Teammates, stop trying to kill me. You can't.
Guns up. Destroy the objective.
Good shit. Got their ass back. Watch that left side.
You want finna keep doing me? I'm fucking. I'll do they ass.
Ooh, hailstorm. Yes, sir.
This, what the fuck? Yo, I almost
Half a
tried.
miss.
Motherfucker! He just went. The bullets went through his legs, bro.
Ooh, I supposed to got him.
Damn,
To the right, to the right.
Yeah, I come up the top 3, bro. I'm about to take the second. What? What the fuck wrong with you?
Yes, you want help?
No way. They finessed me on that kill though. He's supposed to be dead, right?
Oh, no.
He's supposed to be fucking dead, bro. Hey, you see, I slid back on his ass. Bitch, I ain't finna run. Fuck you.
Hey, you got it. Man, you decided not to have it.
They finessed me, bro. That nigga's supposed to be dead, bro.
Bro. Oh, shit.
Bro, how I get killed from your fucking way? What the fuck?
My bad, bro. I had moved. I looked down under the, because I remember I got killed under the fucking truck one time, so I looked under the truck.
I'm in the truck, nigga.
That was me. I know. My bad. I ain't know until I turned around and then he came, bro.
No, there's 3 left, bro. You're fucked. Damn, where's Tito? Yo, what's up, man? Let me fight this guy. Katsuragi. Katsuragi. Katsuragi, bro. Come è la uscita di John Zoom? What a no? Attenang prende che io mai chi è quello. Katsuragi, come here. What the hell wrong with you, bro? Katsuragi. Man, dile kanji mam the sniper, Hmm? Katsuragi, kumbangan.
Fuck! Kami na slow siya.
Katsuragi.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow? Hello? It was him. It was him, KSA. It was him, KSA.
Oh, Ratcher. Here, you Ratcher.
Oh, wala Pep. Kukumpangan. Wala to kung kusin to. Isama ka din yung mic ko ba? Diba? Kung napang na. Hindi nang tapalit na mo.
That's
Left. Late women sniper. Wala nga tayo tuloy siya. Right, man, Reaper. Blunder. Reaper. Roger that. Alright guys, mic check, mic check. Check the mic, 1, 2, 3. We should get Ibrahim dead.
No, we're okay. Oh, 0 and 5, 5, 6, 2. Yeah.
Kaya. Sige, we got ngay wala ka na wala.
Yeah, niggas when niggas not moving right. That's the only time you need to really talk to niggas on D.
Man, who should we go Clorex? Bring my people. Hurry up. Pick it up. Over here, thank you. Close your mouth when you cough.
Enemies are moving into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, fucking crossbow.
Enemy soldier incoming. Green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
Alright guys, where we going? Where we going? Oh yeah.
Resurgence. Survive and your team will redeploy.
Love the uniform. Are you ready? Hey, Doc, find the there. On the wall one. Scan. Get low.
Enemy counting UAV inbound.
Take the money. Take the play. Loading. Very nice. I like it a lot.
This gun's on gig too, though.
Harbor.
Hostiles have established the SAM turret.
Inte gash med till now.
Ito na, ito na yung kuho.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Where the fuck is he?
Ninja.
The fuck?
No ninja.
Gohan?
Mm-mm.
Fucking hey.
Mates are in the safe zone.
I'm going to factory. A bounty. He's pushing, he's pushing.
What kind of gun this fucker use?
Got a lucky bitch. Maju ba load here? Load here. Maju eh. He was him.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's sitting road.
We can buy another loadout. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, are you putting up in?
Yeah.
I thought you could shine.
No. I can pick a shine if you want.
Nice. Get the money.
It's already at the buy.
A little bit more. I got it. Yep. Have it. Oh fuck! I got sniped. I got the loading. Damn. Lucky bitch. You guys grab the loading? Yeah. Good. Move. One on the roof, one on the roof. Oh, he's in here with me. Two. Two on the very top floor. Who farted? Roger, you farted?
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy sentry is active.
I can smell it.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, you.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the
How many? It's there's two of them.
Hey, you a cheater, bro.
I'm a kid.
You must be dumb. Oh, fucking camping bitch. How you guys camping? Y'all suck. BTW.
What the freak?
Yeah, they're here already.
Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end. Additional target added.
On the roof.
One guy landed behind you.
Ooh.
What?
Hardy Ray. I'm gonna do the war.
Real quick, sit down.
Oh fucking hey. Watch that sniper, yep.
Why did you do that? Bomb me back. Fuck.
Fuck, got no armor.
Warm up.
Do it again. Hell yeah. Okay, warm up.
Son of a bitch.
Looks like they nerfed the fucking Model L again.
Deus escolher, Deus danjing.
You fight him? Come here.
I am here, I am like.
Well, that, but
Yeah, I just like, bro. The shit got me paranoid.
shit. Hey, can one of you guys else?
Don't give it to me, I'll put custom.
I can't promote you guys.
You gotta back out to the main right here.
Ah, nga promote ko.
Hey, come in, get custom.
Custom. Tikon custom.
Oh, come on, boys, and delete, yeah.
Delete.
Okay, I'm telling you, I know
You
you have no space, that's the reason. There's a
Mm-hmm.
USB on Amazon, bro. That is
Fuck Amazon.
$28, and that is 1,000 gigabyte.
Hey, what
1,000 gigabyte, bro. I just bought that, and now it's really
They're
good.
gonna start yet.
No, no, it's good. It's good. This, no matter it's connecting, it's still good. Watch. Just stay. No matter it's still connecting, it's good. I tried out already.
Sure about that?
Turn off too. We confirmed that.
Hey, walak na. Oh, we're missing one.
Wala na. Wala na.
Night Reaver. Reaver's not here.
Let me find it.
Hey, ngayon na nga close-up.
Gotcha that.
Ngatikan sa naki-friendly logo. Yang ako siya vlog.
Alright, see. Oh, you left that, bro. The hell happened, bro? Who's the party leader? Oh, ilan na dashi din. Wala.
Oh.
Nagun pegininji ang jibesang. I think we gotta mix it up this way. Say somebody join. Why do you say connecting? Yeah, that's curious. Connecting again. River, you here?
Hey, do I have to back up?
Try back out and join again.
Just. Hey, go up. Look up. Hardy Ray.
Here we go.
Yes, sir.
I think they just want to fuck around. Yeah, you think too? I think they're just fucking around with our emotion right now. Man, I can't wait to unlock this stupid sprint to fire.
Everybody feel sorry for you.
I'ma eat the booty.
Report.
Oh, I'ma eat the booty.
There's a report.
Mic check. Where we're going?
Check. We're going to
sure to bring them back faster. Mark a drop point for your squad and hit the sill.
Mark it.
They go bunker.
Yo, what the hell? What?
Pull up.
Leave it. Don't touch it. Just leave it.
Boy, that nigga was not dead.
It's okay. Run, motherfucker. Oh shit. Yep. Motherfucker.
Man, I try to move and it's too slow.
Bad.
Down one. Down one.
Get ready. Deploy. Your squad mates redeployed.
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Overhead.
Yeah.
Your squad mates
Oh,
back
okay.
on station. Good work.
Loud and clear.
Oop. Zoop.
You gotta go put Daddy off the game and give you some water. Gotta tell him. He loves you, but
Oh, nice. Good shit. Hey, what weapons you guys using now? What big loadout
So
you
weapons?
guys using? Yeah.
what?
Oh shit.
What was this?
I forgot the names, bro.
Yo.
Yep.
It's okay.
Let us finish this one and then I'ma let you know. You're free.
Requesting recon above.
One more.
Oh, fucking A.
Zimbong, what the hell?
Lan chưa tao shit. Hey, be quiet.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh my god.
Squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Eh?
You have reinforcements inbound. Special orders coming in. You can eliminate the target.
Alright, I'm gonna try this weapon again.
Five squads still operational in the AO. Enemy UAV is online.
Yo, Crane, there's armor right here.
Be quicker than that. You've got time for
Need
another
armor?
bounty. Get it done. Precision airstrike available. In the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
One down, one down, one down. Another one coming in.
Oh my god.
Are we wipe or what?
No.
Oh, no, no, we're still here. What the fuck? Here I come. What the fuck? Hey, I'm here, I'm here. Land it on me, bro. I'm good. Nobody's here. They shot me down there. Never mind, somebody's here. Never mind.
Trying to kill me? What the fuck? Wait, fuck you. The Muslim company. Next time, kill yourself. I ain't gonna listen to you again, bro.
I'm sorry. It's alright, partner.
You don't just buy you back whenever you.
Sorry, partner, bro.
Okay, where's the loading? It's okay. It's okay. I know what. Fuck those niggas. Let's do it here.
Here's one shot. Look at this one shot, bro. Fuck, bro. How did you kill me first? Look at me.
Nah, you bitch ass niggas on rolling.
Damn. Right there. What?
Look at this fucking camper. Fuck you. They hide in that corner. Piece of shit.
Still alive, still alive.
Oh,
9 seconds. Nice, nice. Oh shit. Almost, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead. You have reinforcements inbound. Be advised, no longer active. This is for keeps. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. I'm good. Enemy SAM turret active. Additional target added while time remains. Squad is outside the safe zone. Target destroyed. Hell of a job.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, one team, bye. Mat na tolo. Tatalo, ayun. UAV, si money yan. Money. Damn, that's a lot of money. They're right there. They're right there on the buy station up there.
Hostile UAV in the area. Precision airstrike standing by.
Yeah, only one on us. We gotta kill that guy.
Precision airstrike ready for target. Be advised. We still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Got him.
Hey, that's the whole team behind us.
Ah. One shot, fuck! Jamola. Yeah. Fuck the buy again, fuck. Turret. We have been trying. Desang. Oh, balik ko yan. Man na pa uso. Damn. Bro. Hey, gusta? Ako ta maninim ge. Mga. Maninim. Man. Friday si Romy. Let's go. Flex screen, man.